put this finger. Now I'm going to put yellow. I hope what this does.
Whoa. Do you remember what that stuff is called that doesn't smell very good?
No.
Vinegar. Can you say vinegar?
Vinegar.
Did you like how it smelled?
No.
Oh. Whoa, that is cool.
See what I did. Maybe.
Oh. Maybe don't do that, okay?
What's this? I'm going to make 8 of them.
Look at me and tell me how old you are. Look at the camera. Up here.
3.
You're 3? What's your name?
Poofa.
For real, what? Tell me your name.
Jet.
Jet what?
Jet Matthew Hicks.
Yay!